Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our world, but with great power comes great responsibility. In 2024, the adoption of AI-powered tools surged, yet 91% of organizations feel unprepared to scale AI safely. This uncertainty stems from the risks of generative AI, like hallucinations and biased outputs. Trust is the cornerstone of AI adoption. Without it, users won't engage with AI systems. Explainability in AI, or SHAI, is emerging as a solution to build this trust. SHAI helps organizations understand the inner workings of AI systems, increasing transparency. Despite its importance, only 17% of organizations are actively working to mitigate explainability risks. Investing in SHAI can differentiate companies in a crowded AI market. Global AI regulations, like the EU AI Act, are driving the demand for explainability. High-risk AI systems, such as resume ranking software, require detailed transparency. Organizations need methods to provide visibility into AI models to comply with regulations. SHAI tools and practices help humans understand AI predictions and outputs. Building explainable AI requires investment in tools, people, and processes. And SHAI Center of Excellence can provide expertise and training across teams. Operational risk mitigation is one area where SHAI delivers a positive ROI. SHAI helps identify and mitigate potential issues like bias or inaccuracy early on. Regulatory compliance and safety are enhanced through SHAI, protecting brand integrity. Continuous improvement of AI systems is supported by SHAI, fostering targeted debugging. Stakeholder confidence in AI grows when systems are understandable. User adoption increases when AI outputs align with user expectations. SHAI is a strategic enabler of adoption, trust, and business success. A human-centered approach to AI explainability is crucial. Different stakeholders require different types of explanations and formats. AI-savvy humanists bridge the gap between technical explanations and user needs. Executive decision-makers need to understand AI models to ensure alignment with strategies. AI governance leaders shape AI systems according to policies and regulations. Affected users need clear explanations about AI outcomes. Business users require insights to enhance decision-making and operational efficiency. Regulators and auditors need interpretability to ensure compliance. Developers need explanations to improve and debug AI systems. Effective SHAI techniques are essential for meeting diverse stakeholder needs. Trust in AI, supported by explainability, governance, and human centricity, is key to unlocking AI's full potential.